guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, click that subscribe button, turn notifications, give me a huge thumbs up. Today, I'm going to be making flower headbands. All the things we're going to be using today. We got scissors, hot glue, wire, and flowers. Get 2 pieces of wires and make a circle for your crown. Try your crown on to see if it fits. My mommy is helping me fix mine. So now I'm going to be pulling the flowers off. So we do this. So you take a flower and then we get it from here, and then we just pull it. Now we're going to be gluing the flowers on, but make sure you have a parent. Something. It's like a headband that can go like this. It's like a face. Mm-hmm. Now start putting your flowers where you want to put them. This is the finished headband. My mommy helped glue the flowers on. Now let's try it on. This is the finished product. What do y'all think? Comment down below. This costs $1. Peace. Thanks for watching my videos. Like, comment, subscribe.